Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Clarissa and I hope you like my content. And if you do, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And if you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a honey lemon face mask. So if you want to know how to get clear, bright skin, keep watching. So first you need 1 egg white, then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of pure organic honey. Then you want to mix it together until it's totally combined. So first you want to go ahead and get a cloth and wet it with some hot water. Now I say hot water because you want to open up your pores and allow this solution to seep into your skin so you can really get the full effect of it. Now if you have a steamer, you can also use a face steamer. I'll be showing you guys a full facial routine that I do at nighttime using my steamer in a different video. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and roll with the hot cloth. So you want to go ahead and put this cloth on your face while it's hot to open up those pores. If you feel like you need to do it a second time, go ahead and do it a second time. I'm going to do mine again. Okay, now that that's done, you want to go ahead and get your solution and you want to paint it onto your face. And you want to get your tissue, or if you have a paper towel, you can use a paper towel and take that and apply it to where you just put that solution. Then you're going to go back and paint over that again. And you want to do this over your whole face. So after you finish doing this, you want to go ahead and let it dry. I'm going to give it 15 to 20 minutes to dry, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so it's been about 15 to 20 minutes, and as you can see, the mask is totally dry. So what you want to do is go ahead and start peeling the mask off. So now what you want to do is go ahead and wash your face off with some warm water to get the rest of the mask off your face. Now after you've done that, I'm going to go in with some facial cleanser. It's a moisturizing cleanser. I'm going to go ahead and wash my face with that. Now you want to go ahead and just blot your face with that warm, wet cloth. And while your face is still wet, you want to go ahead and put your cream on your face. Now this is a homemade cream I made myself. It's full of coconut oil, sweet almond oils. I have vitamin E oil in here. And I think I have avocado oil in here as well. If you guys want me to show you how I made this oil, go ahead and leave me a comment down in the comment section, and I'll go ahead and do a video on how to make this oil. So you want to go ahead and massage this oil into your face or whatever face cream you use while your face is still a little bit moist from washing. And you really want to massage that oil into your face and into your neck. Now I have some vitamin C I'm going to go in with from under my eyes. And this will help with darkness under the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and work that oil in as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.